was here. Jabba was here.
Well, I won't say what you are saying is not a fact, but honestly, we've not been receiving such reports. But what I can tell you certainly is that we have increased and enhanced our security apparatus and strategies. I've created more tactical teams. Since I came, I've created 3 more tactical teams. And I've identified the areas that are prone to this. I've identified areas we have cultism, kidnapping. I wouldn't want to mention the area for security reasons. And by the time this tactical team starts operating fully, we don't have this kind of cases again. Regarding Mohbad's case, what is delaying Mohbad's case is toxicology. Toxicology report is not ready because we have to get the report from Britain and the US. You recollect that during NSAS, a state-of-the-art forensic laboratory was built by Lagos State government, and the NSAS drama ended up raising down the building, and that is why we have to go to the US to do toxicology. If not, we'll have done it and we'll have gotten the results since. So that is the problem we have in that area. On the ATM, I didn't say residents should not carry the ATM. They can carry the ATM to anywhere. But what I'm saying is that when they have to attend a crowded ceremony, crowded crusade, crowded party, where you see all these boys around scampering for phone and other things, it is very dangerous to carry such ATM card along. It might get lost. So that's what I said. They should carry it to anywhere, but when they are in an unsafe environment that they know, they can keep it in their car, in the safe of their car. They can keep it in a very secure place, pending when they leave that ceremony to other places. You're talking of illumination of the environment. Yes, we know we have epileptic power, but I must tell you that nothing is too much to spend on security. Security is very, very important. They can put solar, there is this solar power bulb they can fix in the environment. Anytime it is nighttime, the bulb will come up on their own and it will illuminate the area. It's not expensive. If they cannot buy it, they can partner with the neighborhood. CDs, they can come together and decide to illuminate the area. It's something everybody should take seriously. Dark environment encourages crime. They will have a hiding place, and once you are coming in, they will hide somewhere and dispossess you of your valuable items. The military, our suspect there, in military uniform, they are not soldiers. They just use military camouflage. The offense they committed is simple. It's conspiracy suspected, armed robbery, and cultism. They were arrested on the 12th of January, and it is even the army that assisted us in arresting them. They are from the headquarters of Night Brigade of Nigerian Army, and they were handed over to us, and their names are Fatai Ajayi, 25 years, Solomon Kamaldin, 28 years, Kenneth Danladi, 29 years, Etuk Ajanime, 28 years, Damilola Ojerinde, age 36. They were found with one locally fabricated Beretta pistol with one live 9mm ammunition. So they are not soldiers, they are just camouflaging in military uniform. 28 years, Damilola Ojerinde, age 36. They were found with one locally fabricated Beretta pistol with one live 9mm ammunition. So they are not soldiers, they are just camouflaging in military uniform. On the Ikorodu lady that committed suicide, investigation is ongoing. And cases of murder is not something that can be investigated overnight. We are looking into so many options and we'll soon come out with our report. On the explosion in Ibadan, yes, when it took place yesterday, we knew, just like you said, it can happen in any city. We have put our measures on ground and we are out to look at places where the explosion can take place. And very soon you will see us making arrests in such areas so as to avert such explosion in Lagos. Traffic robbery. Traffic robbery will soon be a thing of the past because we are making arrests of traffic robbers. We are not giving them breathing space. More arrests have been made. If I read out all the achievements, we've arrested in the last 30-something days, we have arrested more than 30, 40 traffic robbers, and we recover weapons with them. So if we continue with that incessant arrest, I know we'll get them eliminated completely. And we have, due to the diversion of traffic on Tomeland Bridge, we have our men policing all the roads, especially during peak of traffic, so that we don't give these boys chance to harass our innocent Lagosians or residents of Lagos. So on ECMR, the NIN number is being asked, which is very, very important, so that we can link the ECMR number with the particulars of the owner of the vehicles. ECMR number, the NIN number, you agree with me, is the major thing that identifies you as a Nigerian. And every Nigerian is, asked to have this number. So any documents you are bringing, especially your vehicles, we must be able to link your NIN number with other of your particulars. So that's why we're asking for it. And it is safe with the police. Nobody is going to use that for anything. You can trust your police that we keep it very safe for you. Then kidnapping and abduction. Yes, we are making concerted efforts in this area. And we have activated our intelligence network, our tracking departments, and we're also gathering information on especially those areas where kidnapping is very prevalent. And with all this effort, the issue of kidnapping will be a thing of the past very soon in Lagos. But my advice to members of the public is that they should be vigilant when they are driving, even when they are walking on the road. They should just not allow anybody to park their car and they enter just like that. They should be of courage, because I know there is this fear, but a little resistance from us too will prevent some of this kind from happening. Some of us become easy prey to these criminals, but we must be vigilant and we must not allow ourselves to be taken so cheaply or for a ride. At the same time, we should also make sure that when we move around with vigilance, and we don't stop in areas that is prone to attack or that is prone to prone to hoodlums attacking them. We should also be very, very proactive too. As we drive, we should have numbers of the DP of our area, dedicated number from command. We should put it in our phone in such a way that it is very easy for us to, within seconds we'll be able to access it and call. In fact, what I think we should even do before we sleep, let's have the number of our DPO, our dedicated police number, at the tip of our bed, or in our room, or even in our phone, so that any little movement, we make a call. It doesn't matter whether it's robbery or not. Once you notice any movement, you call us and we move there. I remember at Igondo area, one doctor called me in the night and said he's noticing some movement. and that he's suspecting robbers are in the house. So I now called the DPO in that area, and they move in there. They check everywhere. There was no robbery. It was just panic call. It doesn't matter if it's a panic call, but once you notice that something may come in and affect your peace in that place, don't hesitate to call us, and we'll be there. We have a role to play too, as citizens, to make sure that all these criminal acts are nipped in the bud by giving us information at all times, by having our numbers, by calling when anything happens, by making sure we don't expose ourselves to this hoodlum, parking our car in a dark area, taking risks, unnecessary risks that may give us out to all these criminals. We should avoid all this so that we remain safe and secure. Thank you very much.